What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Today we are firing up the smokers and cooking a nice leg of lamb. Let's do it. Alright, so I got about a 5-pound boneless leg of lamb here. Beautiful cut of meat. We're going to dive right in here and just start covering it with some olive oil. Get a nice thick layer. Flip it over. Get the underside. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm going to add a little bit, a shot of lemon juice. Next step, I got a mixture of salt and pepper here. Give it a nice coat. Get in all those cracks. Alright, so we got our mix of olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Now we're going to mix together the rest of our ingredients here. Some fresh thyme, some fresh rosemary, a little bit of fennel seeds, some minced garlic. Stir it on up, get it all together. And we're just going to cover the rest of our lamb with this mixture. So we got our lamb covered with all the spices we want in there. Now we want our lamb to cook evenly. So we want to kind of get it into a good shape. And we're going to get some butcher's twine and tie it up. So that looks pretty good to me. Again, this is just to get it a little bit of a shape so it cooks evenly when it's in the smoker. So now I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 3 or 4 hours, and then we're going to pull it out and then pop it in the smoker. Ooh, so this has been in the fridge for 3 hours. Then I pulled it out to let it rest at room temperature for about an hour so it's not too cold going in. Let's go put this in the smoker. So I got the smoker up to 275 degrees, just put the leg of lamb in there. I'm also gonna get a foil pan, put in a good lager, a quartered sweet onion. I'm also gonna add a little bit of mint, some minced garlic, and that's gonna catch all the drippings from the lamb as it's cooking. It's gonna make a nice gravy. I also got some cherry wood in the smoker, a little bit of pecan on top, and some nice light wood to go with that lamb. I'm gonna come out in about an hour and baste it up. So it's been about an hour. We're gonna take a look and see how our leg of lamb's doing. Oh yeah, got some good color on it. Looks good. So our next step, I got a nice baste here. I got some malt vinegar, some honey, some thyme, rosemary, a little bit of minced garlic, and then we're gonna mix it up, put it on our leg of lamb. It's just gonna help keep it moist while it finishes cooking here. Yeah, listen to her sizzle. So that looks pretty good. I'm gonna put this back in. Close this up. I think I got about another hour and a half before I reach our internal temps of 140, so I'm going to keep an eye on it, maybe even throw a little bit more of our baste on, then we'll come pull it out and eat. Boom! Lamb's out of the smoker. She's done, son. Took it right out with an internal reading of 140. You can go up to 145, but I pulled it at 140, brought it inside, let it rest for about 10 minutes, cut the twine off. I'm ready to dig in, but before we do, let's get some of that sauce. And just put a little bit of it on there. Now we're ready to dig in. Let's see what we got. We can cut it right at the end here. Just cut it right down. Get some good slices. Look at that. Nice and pink in the middle. Just how we wanted to get. That's gonna have some great flavor. I'm gonna rip a piece off. Man, that's good. Perfect temperature, the base that we have on there, that sauce we can mop it up with. It's tender, it's juicy. That is how you smoke a leg of lamb. So appreciate you watching. If you've never had leg of lamb, put this in your smoker. You're missing out. I'm gonna go cut this up, serve it, and finish eating it. Stay tuned for the next video.